But we're cooling off and things are a little bit dicey tonight,
yeah,
right?
a little active still. In fact, as we take a look out over our Plaza Towers camera in downtown Grand Rapids, notice kind of the jagged cloud base. These are cells that we're continuing to watch as they track off to the northeast. This is looking west from downtown over toward the Granville-Walker area. Very dark skies. No lightning with these cells, but at times they've been trying to rotate, and that's been kind of the tricky part of our weather situation tonight. Storm Track Live shows heavy rain continuing across areas northwest of Grand Rapids. It's been occurring almost all day. We did have a tornado warning in Cass County that has just expired. We're also tracking a tornado warning down in Hillsdale County at this time. We also had earlier tornado warnings across parts of Branch and Cass County. So it's been an active afternoon and evening. Right now, again, we're continuing to watch the heavy rainfall across parts of Muskegon County. These cells are what we've been watching. They've been trying to rotate at times. Never enough to prompt a tornado warning, but it's been close at times. And if we look at the current rotation tracker, there's an area just north of Granville on 196. We're keeping a close eye on at this time. Nothing overly concerning. And again, we do not have any active warnings for these cells, but they do bear close watching. And as we look at the history of them, you'll notice we did have that rotation over Allendale, and we've had it at times into Granville as well. Also tracking some very heavy rain that's developing across parts of Van Buren County. No rotation there yet, but it is going to bear close watching as we progress through the evening. Other big stories been the heavy rain north and west of Grand Rapids, where more than 4 to 6 inches of rain has fallen. We have a flood warning for west central Muskegon County into tomorrow morning. We've had a viewer report of up to 7.5 inches there. So we're going to continue to see rainfall over the next few hours, especially west of Grand Rapids. That eventually is going to come to an end as the low begins to pull off to the north. We'll hang on to mostly cloudy skies into tomorrow morning, and then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, we should start to see that gradually break up, especially into the late afternoon and evening. Can't entirely rule out a few showers, especially east of Grand Rapids into tomorrow afternoon. Additional rainfall amounts really are going to vary depending on community. With the heavy rain that's building into Kalamazoo County, we could see a quick 1 to 2 inches fall there, and we could see up to an inch of additional rainfall in Muskegon County, which they certainly do not need. Your 3-day forecast does look nice, though. We're going to start to dry things out, and the nicest days of the week are likely going to be Thursday and Friday, with highs in the mid-70s. Your 8-day forecast does have 70s continuing until the middle of next week. We are tracking our next system, potentially the remnants of what's becoming Tropical Storm Florine that's going to be tracking into the Gulf states. Could make its way north. We'll continue to keep a close eye on that.